yeah. Come on, Neeraj. Let's go up this beautiful, beautiful place. Oh,
good now.
इसको निकाल देना. Oh my
Why you kept
God. हाँ?
Why
यार
you-
फिर वो जो है ना कि भाई कि अपने जो डॉग्स कुत्ते होते हैं अगर
Okay.
बंदर आएगा तो फिर क्या करोगे? You are having a protection, ना?
For security.
So I have to, for security against animals, I have this thing.
So it is
Oh,
affecting
that
the
is
dogs?
beautiful. That's great. He's again Mr. Rajkumar. Great meeting you. Beautiful. Just see the skyline. Beautiful skyline. तो इसमें फिर बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगी. You are asking some question यार.
Yes.
नीरज बताओ बेटा. बताइए.
Can you name some few leaders
Some different question. Oh, great.
of India or any in the world? You think their personal lives or especially love lives affected the society at large?
Love life definitely will affect.
Can you give
They-
some examples? There is affected at large.
You just see that if you say, for example, Nehru ji, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru,
Okay.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also, that he was previously married to Kasturba Gandhi.
Yes.
नहीं, not
He was-
he was married to
Kamala Nehru.
Kamala Nehru.
Okay.
Kamala Nehru, and then you just see that there is a talk that he was with Madam Adivina Batten also, and maybe I don't know whether he was with many people or many ladies or all that, but definitely any icon for that, any important person, if he does anything wrong, if he has different love relationships, it definitely affects the society. It affects the psyche of the person. It definitely affects. And there are some other examples also. But one thing is there: you cannot stop your heart. That's also a fact. And heart is the only thing that which goes out. But you have to establish the societal norms. जो वो गुरु शिष्य परंपरा है, जो मैक्रोन और इसके ब्रिजिट के हम बता रहे थे, जो ये 15 साल का लड़का था और वो 39 इयर्स की लेडी थी, भाई उस टाइम उन्होंने वहाँ पर जो है, उसके बाद में गुरु शिष्य परंपरा को तोड़कर ये इंडिया के लिए सही नहीं. एंड दे गॉट मैरिड. He was 29 years age and she was 54 years age. But at the same time, it may augur well for the French society because it has shown that he is a man of steel. He is a man of conviction. He is a man of resolution.